If you're the kind of parent who wants to hear a school talk about both high achievement and student wellness in the same breath, Duveneck is a school to look at closely. In Duveneck's school improvement plan, the school explicitly includes goals tied to mental health and wellness and building a campus experience that creates connection and safety, not as a slogan, but as a measured priority. Hi, my name is Caroline Hobbs, the Rise Real Estate Group. I am a Palo Alto Realtor, and today I'm walking you through Duveneck Elementary. Duveneck serves K through 5th grade and is also one of PAUSD's transitional kindergarten sites, which can be a big deal for long-term planning. On GreatSchools, Duveneck is currently listed at a 9 out of 10, which is one reason it stays on so many family shortlists. From an academic standpoint, what's helpful for parents is seeing the how behind the results. Duveneck's plan references structured approaches in literacy and math, including implementing benchmark advance for ELA and bridges for math, plus targeted intervention supports like a reading specialist and EL specialist, and regular Tier 2 meetings to monitor progress. In plain English, that means the school is thinking about how to catch students early, group them appropriately, and move them forward, not just teach them and hope. On the culture side, Duveneck's plan also mentions continuing a buddy class program, and the language throughout emphasizes respect, upstanders, and inclusive community norms. For many families, that translates into fewer "my kid feels invisible" moments and more intentional community building across grade. If I had to sum it up, Duveneck in a few parent-focused reasons, it's this: strong academic reputation, a clear intervention framework, and a campus culture that takes social emotional safety seriously while still pushing students to grow. If you want help finding a home that fits Duveneck's boundaries, or if you would like to compare Duveneck to Ohlone or Palo Verde in the border area, reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below, and make sure to hit subscribe for more local school information. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Caroline Hobbs, and I'll catch you in the next one.